2, 3 on.
Say, this is.
Mama, it's me, Jasmine. I'm in one of these things, but look at me. It's cool in here. You have like 5 holes and 1 dirty thingy, but this is for you. I love you, Mama. I'm here with my friend and Hugo, my brother. And
You wanna sing a song?
I don't know how to sing.
And I could spin the hole, so I came in here and Hugo and my friend
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
No, this coming by my last name, Mazik.
Zeke with Zeke.
Mazik. Know how to say it right?
Mazik.
Yeah, Mazik. He's gonna throw the ball up here and he's gonna give me the ball and I'm gonna throw it back to him.
No, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. You know what happened? I do that. Someone knows gonna bleed.
That's true. So now I can help you come down now. It looks pretty fun.
I can slide down, Mama. I love you. It's just me looking around. It's cool.
Okay, you can support. You're feeling Michelle there now.
This was like my bird nest.
All right, take it easy now. Come out.
I love you. Hugo says hi. I'll be back in 4 more hours.